Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a great day. Who has a taste of some burgers? And guess what? I'm taking them from frozen into this boiling frying pan or griddle that I have here. Just like that. These are 80-20 burgers. That means 80% lean, 20% fat. And guess what? These are going to be juicy, y'all. I make my burgers like this all the time when they're frozen. And they will come out juicy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you see how it's like puffing up there? You can almost see the blood green come from it. That's when you're ready to turn it. It gets soft. See how juicy that looks? And then it continue to cook on this side. It's been a few more moments. As you see, the blood is coming from the top. So we're gonna flip it again. I do have my fire on high. Now we're gonna season this. Of course, you can use whatever seasoning you like. I'm using pepper. Montreal steak seasoning. A little bit of Larry's. Now, of course, y'all know I gotta use my onion powder and garlic powder. Come back with your garlic powder. And my Italian seasoning. Now, once we flip these, we're gonna season the other side as well. Now, I like my burgers well done. So if you like yours medium rare, you don't have to cook these as long. As you see, there's no blood coming out of them. I'm gonna flip them one more time. See the water's evaporating at the bottom here. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for. You can look at the sides here and tell how juicy it's actually going to be. See that thickness on the side there? It smells delicious. Most of the water is gone from the pan. And add our cheese. I'm using American cheese. I'm gonna push these aside, guys, just like that. Put that cheese melt on them. Turn the fire down low. Just like that. That's how we get them seasonings at the bottom. We just want that to get soft at the top. Look what I ordered from my hometown. Yes, indeedy. It's going to popping with this hamburger. Alright, so the burger is done here. All we need to is lift that up. Lay it flat on your plate, okay? And add your toppings. The mustard. And look what else I got from my hometown. Oh, yes, Jesus. That's that Montgomery Inn, y'all. It's a rib place from my hometown. I had to get some of this sauce. We're just going to add a little bit because it is on the runny side. Just like that. Place that right on top. Put that on the side. And there you have it. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Share. We're less than 200 people away to get our 1,000 subscribers. I am so excited. So leave your comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next upload. Until then, y'all remain safe, wear your mask, wash your hands, keep that social distancing up. so we can live longer. Until then, God bless you. For my burger, I had to make his first. I'm going to use Hellman's mayo. I normally use salad dressing, but like I said, you can use whatever toppings that you want. If you want to add bacon, you want to add pickles, whatever you want to have on your hamburger is fine with me, you guys. Okay, my grippos. We shared a bag of these. Now, let's go ahead and top this like that. Y'all like to smash our sandwich down like me? Now we're just gonna slice this. You can see the inside of it, okay? Make sure it's done for us, which I know it is. I want to bite one of these chips, y'all. These are on fire, y'all. Y'all want to try some good chips? Got a little bite to it. Order you some grippos potato chips. You ready to bite in? Did I get a bite? Okay, let me sample it for you. Yeah, I know I ain't messing around in the kitchen today with no burger.